Hello and welcome to the Redlands Fragrances channel. On this channel, we would like to show you how you can custom make your own fragrances. I've been creating custom fragrances with essential oils for almost 10 years now. Here are a 5 milliliter and a 10 milliliter of different ones I made before. I still find it so enjoyable to custom make fragrances because you can mix and match and come up with new fragrances by playing around with the different scents. A never-ending supply of your own fragrances, really. Today we are going to create a soft and fresh scent. I call it self-love, but you can name it whatever you like. First, you're going to need a 5 milliliter or 10 milliliter bottle. I'm going to be using a 5 milliliter bottle today. Next, you will need your essential oils and glycerin, if you choose to use that. You don't actually need it, but I like to add a little glycerin to my blends to help them mingle together better, as well as create a longer lasting fragrance. The great thing about this is you don't need many items to make your own fragrances unless you want to splurge and get several different oils like I do. Time to make self-love. We are going to need white musk essential oil, lemon verbena essential oil, patchouli essential oil, and rose essential oil. And I get these from different sources, but mainly you can find these May Jams on Amazon, Piping Rock, and yeah, I got all these on Amazon, but you can just browse the internet to find those different sources for essential oils. And we're going to use the 5 milliliter bottle today, and usually when you buy these little bottles, they give you these nice little funnels so you can easily add the essential oils to it. And we're going to add about a quarter of each essential oil, quarter of the bottle. We're going to fill it up with about a quarter of each. Whoa, that was too much. Quarter of each. Let's see, you got to play around a little bit, get your measurements here, and you can always add more of, if you prefer lemon verbena, you can put more in there if you like. Up to you. But for this blend, we're going to do about a quarter of the bottle of each essential oil. And leave a little room if you're going to add the glycerin. They also give you these little droppers many times when you buy those essential oils, like in the May Jam set. They gave me this, so that's helpful too. Let's add a little glycerin to top it off. We're going to let those mingle. Let it mingle together. And it's going to give you this beautiful, soft, and happy scent. There you have it. Self-love. And you can dab it and put it on your wrists and your neck or your clothes if you like. And many times you can buy those little sprayers too. The tube with the top part that sprays, those are helpful. And there you have it, your new self-love fragrance. A fresh and happy scent. Thank you for watching. See you next time.